Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Crochet Pink Pumpkin. On Instagram and TikTok I received a lot of questions about the glow-in-the-dark yarn. How does it work? Where do you get it? So I just wanted to answer these questions. So mine come from Amazon. The brand is a Lyon brand, you know, the famous yarn brand. It's called DIY Glow, but unfortunately it's sold out just before Halloween. That's messed up. But apparently it should be back in stock. You can register on their website, you know, like to get a notification when it's back in stock. So maybe you want to do that. But if you don't want to wait, you type glow in the dark yarn on Amazon and you will have a lot of choice. So here I suggest you to watch the reviews to make sure, you know, like it's actually good and it actually works. And for my ghost, so this one I only used let me check. I only used 71 yards, so it's 50 grams. You know, you don't need a lot of yarn. Now what you will do, you will crochet the yarn as usual, following the pattern. If you want to check out my ghost pattern, I put you the link right here. It's a tutorial and a free pattern. But you just crochet it as usual. Then what's important is to leave it under a light for about 10 minutes. Just so you know, I also crochet under that light, so it had more time than 10 minutes to charge. There you go. So once the 10 minutes are done, let's check it out. You have to go in a very dark room. So I go in my bathroom, et voila, it's magical. It's so cool. Just so you know, you have to charge it also every time because, you know, it's not like a bulb. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you enjoy this tutorial, and I see you very soon. Bye bye!